Afternoon, friends. Here at the little homestead, we're going to do a kind of walk y'all through shed build part one. We decided with our stimulus money that I wanted to build a 10-foot by 16-foot workshop, and so here we are with part one. We started by trenching out for skids, leveling skids, building the floor frame, decking it, and getting 2 walls up. So here we are today. We've got the foundation done, floor's done, 2 of the walls are up. We'll kind of walk around and show a little bit to you. Here we go. Use traditional framing methods, old school driving nails, 2x4 construction, 2x6 on 16 centers for the floor joists, OSB floor sheathing. Plans was for a 9-foot ceiling so that I could have a couple feet of loft space for storage. Planning on about an 8-12 pitch roof. I may adjust that. We're gonna have a door, 2 windows, window on the side, and we'll run power out to it. But well, here we are. It's 6:30 in the evening, and we actually started working in earnest at about 10 o'clock this morning. So it's been a busy day. Yeah, I think that's about it for now. More to come. Have a nice night.